minute.
Okay, go.
Alright, let's try this. This is a little apple.
Applesauce take two.
You want to try this?
Applesauce take two.
Yummy.
Mmm.
Oh, you forgot to put your bib on.
Oh, that's
You gotta put your
good.
little bib on.
Isn't that good? Wow. That's delicious.
Little Leo bib.
That's delicious, Leo. Oh, that's
now
nice.
you're ready.
Now you're official.
Oh, you just wanna eat your
wiped
bib, don't
face
you?
Yeah, he
already.
wipes his face. Nice.
There you
Wow.
go. That's nice. Wipe your face. He's like, I know what that spoon means. You want to try? Try. Try a little bit. Aw, maybe you like sweet potatoes better, huh?
Over there. Look at mommy over here.
Here we go.
Yeah, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes.
Aw. Here. Oh.
Mmm.
You know what to do? Mm. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yeah. Oh, there you go. You look like you were really thinking about that taste. He looked all like, huh?
See, where's the sugar, Mom?
I know it's not nearly as sweet as my breast milk, right? Here, you want to try it again? You like that? Whoa. You're not quite sure what this. You almost like it, don't you? I think you almost like it. Are you eating? You look like you're kind of eating. You want to try a little
I
bit?
think he's
more?
almost coming around to it.
Yeah.
No? Okay.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, now he's grabbing for it.
You want to try? Yeah. You want to try a little bit more? Oh, wow, you're a fast learner, aren't you? Wow, huh? There, you can hang on to it.
Feed himself.
Here. You want to grab it? Oh, there it goes. There's the start of the message. Ah. Oh, good job. You're feeding yourself, huh?
There he goes.
There you go. Suck it off the spoon. Wow. Good job. Like that, huh? That's organic, baby.